Okay, good morning, children.
Good
Morning, teacher.
Okay, now let's proceed to our discussion. So now I prepared some picture. So now let's proceed to the first picture. Can you please observe the first picture? Okay, so what have you observed in the first picture? Yes, AJ?
They are playing teacher.
Okay, very good. So what do you think you are playing? Yes, teacher. Yes, AJ?
I think they are playing a board game teacher.
Okay, they are playing a board game. So, do you think they are inside of their house?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
Okay, very good. They are inside of their house. So, why do you think they are inside of their house? Yes, AJ?
I think because it is raining outside teacher.
Okay, so have you ever experienced or have you ever played board game?
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
very good. So, if you are experienced or if you are playing a board game, so what have you observed in the weather in the picture? Yes, AJ?
It is raining season teacher.
Okay, so how can you say that the weather is raining days?
Because I can see the raindrops teacher.
Okay, very good. So do you think you can play board games during rainy season?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So, therefore, if the weather condition is raining season, so what kind of activity we can do during this season?
I think we can do indoor activities such as book playing board games teacher.
Okay, very good. So, if it's indoor activity, very good. So, do you think it is appropriate to do this activity?
Yes, teacher.
So, what kind of season it is? Yes, EJ?
I think that is a wet season teacher.
Okay, so, what do you mean by the wet season?
Teacher.
Yes, EJ?
The wet season is the time of the year when most of the regions average annual rainfall occurs.
Okay, very good. So now, after we proceed to, I mean, before we proceed to number 2, again, what season in this number 1? It's a
Wet season.
okay, it's a wet season. So now, can you please observe this second picture? So, what have you observed? What have you observed in the second picture?
Teacher.
Yes, again.
There is a family teacher.
Okay, very good. There is a family. So, what do you think they are doing? Yes, AJ?
They are having a picnic outside teacher.
Okay, have you ever experienced this kind of picnic?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so if you ever experienced that kind of picnic, so what place did you do what place did you go when you are having a picnic?
Out,
Yes, AJ?
outside teacher.
So now, what have you observed in the weather in the second picture? Yes, AJ?
I think that season is dry teacher.
Okay, the season is dry. Very good. So, how can you say that weather is sunny season? A sunny day? Yes, AJ?
Because I can see the clouds and the skies.
Okay, there's a cloud and a clear sky. So, do you think you can have a picnic when it is a sunny day?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so therefore, if the weather condition is sunny day, so what kind of activity can you do during the sunny day? Yes, AJ?
We can do different kinds of outdoor activities during sunny days such as playing basketball.
Okay. So, playing basketball, very good. So, So now, if the weather condition is sunny day and having a picnic, do you think it's an appropriate for the, do you think it is appropriate to do?
Yes,
So
teacher.
what kind of season it is? Yes,
It
EJ.
is a dry season, teacher.
So, what do you mean by the dry season? Yes, EJ.
The dry season is a yearly period of low rainfall.
Okay, very good. Again, what is the season number 2?
Dry season.
Okay, very good. It is a dry season. So now let's proceed to the third picture. So can you please observe? Oh, okay, so now class. So what have you observed in the third picture? Yes.
There is a bird, teacher.
So what do you think is the bird doing? Yes, AJ.
She is reading a book inside her house.
Okay, she's reading a book inside her house. So do you think that she is inside of their house?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. If she is inside in her house, so do you also read the book, right?
Yes, teacher.
So now, what have you observed in the weather in the third picture? Yes, AJ.
I think it is raining, teacher.
So how can you say that the weather is raining? Yes, AJ.
Because there is rain outside and the bird is reading inside her house.
So do you think you can read the book during rainy days?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Very good. So, therefore, if the weather condition is a rainy day, so what kind of activity was can do during rainy day? Yes, AJ?
We can read books and other novels, teacher, during rainy season.
Okay, so if the weather condition is rainy day, so reading book is do you think it is an inappropriate for that season?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so what kind of season? So what kind of season? What kind of season in number 3? I mean, in third picture, I mean. Yes. Okay.
Wet season, teacher.
Okay. So what do you mean by wet season? Yes, AJ.
The wet season is the time of the year when most of our regions rainfall occur.
Okay, very good. Again, what kind of season in the first picture?
Wet season.
How about the second picture?
Dry
season.
How about the third picture?
Wet season.
Okay, so now let's proceed to the fourth picture. So, what have you observed in the fourth picture?
Teacher.
Yes, today.
They are playing volleyball.
Okay, we are playing volleyball. So, what do you call to the place they are located in playing volleyball? Yes, TJ?
Beach, teacher.
Okay, it is a beach. Very good. So have you ever been or have you ever experienced playing volleyball?
Yes, teacher.
So, what have you observed in the weather in the fourth picture? Yes,
The
EJ?
weather is sunny, teacher.
So how can you say that the weather is sunny day? Yes, EJ?
There are many clouds and the sky is clear.
Okay, there are many clouds and there are many clouds. So do you think you can play volleyball when it is sunny day?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so therefore, if the weather condition is sunny day, what kind of activity we can do during sunny day? Yes,
We
AJ?
can play volleyball during sunny days, teacher.
Okay, so do you think it is inappropriate in this season?
Yes, teacher.
So what kind of season it is? Yes,
It
EJ.
is a dry season actually.
Very good. So what do you mean by dry season? Yes, EJ.
The dry season is a yearly period of low rainfall.
Okay, very good. It is a dry season. So again, what season in this number? I mean for picture.
Dry season.
Okay, so now let's proceed to number 5. So can you please observe? So what have you seen in the picture? Yes, EJ.
They are watching television picture.
So do you think they are inside of their house?
Yes, teacher.
So very good. So why do you think they are inside of their house? Yes, EJ.
Teacher, I think because it is raining outside.
Okay, it is raining outside. Very good. So, do you also watch television in your house?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So now, what have you observed in the weather in the big picture? Yes, EJ.
I think it is raining outside, teacher. That's why they are inside.
Okay, so how can you say that the weather is rainy season or rainy day?
Because they are inside of their house, teacher.
Okay, very good. They're inside of their house. So what do you think you can watch television during rainy days?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So therefore, if the weather condition is rainy day, so what kind of activity we can do? You can do it. Yes, AJ.
You can watch television during rainy season.
Okay, so do you think it is inappropriate in that season, AJ?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so again, what do you mean by wet season? Yes, AJ.
The wet season is the time of the year when most of our regions average annual rainfall occurs.
Okay, very good. So, again, what season here in the picture?
Wet season,
Season.
teacher.
Okay, very good. So, let's look this last picture. So, what have you observed in the last picture? Yes, AJ.
There are 4 people, teacher.
Okay, there are four people. So, what do you think they are doing? Yes, AJ.
I think they are hiking, teacher.
Okay, they are hiking. Very good. So, where do you think they are going to? Yes,
I
AJ.
think they are going to the mountain.
Okay, they're going to the mountain. Very good. So, have you ever experienced this kind of activity?
Yes,
So,
teacher.
what can you say? What can you say about the weather in the last picture?
I think it is a sunny weather, teacher.
Okay, it is a sunny day. So, if the last picture is a sunny day, so how can you say that the weather is sunny day? Yes, we did.
Because there are many clouds in the sky this year.
Okay, so do you think you can have do you think you can have climbed the mountain during sunny days?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So, therefore, if the weather is sunny day, what kind of activity we can do during sunny season, sunny day?
We can hike during sunny season.
Okay, now if the weather
season, teacher.
Okay, if it is a dry season, so what do you mean by dry season? Yes, AJ?
The dry season is a yearly period of low rainfall.
Okay, again, AJ? What is in the first picture?
Wet season.
How about the second picture?
Dry season.
And the third picture?
Wet season.
And the fourth picture?
Dry
Dry
season.
season.
And the fifth picture?
Wet season.
And the last picture?
Dry season.
Okay, after we end this discussion class, can you give me, some activity that we do in season of rainy and sunny day? Yes, AJ?
During rainy season, we can cook different meals for the family, such as tapas.
Okay, very good. How about the sunny season? Yes, AJ?
We can play outdoor games such as basketball and volleyball and other outdoor activities
Oh,
outside.
okay, very good. So now, how can we identify the activity for a specific season? Yes, AJ?
Identifying activities for a specific season involves considering the unique characteristics of each season, such as weather, temperature, and natural changes.
Okay. Let's see if your answer is correct. Okay. Can you please read again?
We can identify the activities for specific seasons involved considering the unique characteristics of each season, such as weather, temperature, and natural changes.
Okay, did you understand our lesson today?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, goodbye and thank you, class.
Goodbye and thank you, teacher.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, teacher.